Hi everybody, we are today on the last day of the 5-day program of World Dental Conference 2021. Now everything till now has gone so smoothly and there has not been a single hitch. Now for a conference to be successful, it doesn't become successful by itself. You need a very efficient and dedicated back-end team, and we have a very efficient team working for us. And now I'm going to take you on a sneak preview and to show you what's exactly happening behind the scenes at the World Dental Conference 2021. So please follow me and let me show you what's here. This is Dr. Naimullah Khan, the organizing secretary. I think he's taking a break and walking out. Okay, but he's the one who's very efficiently handling this program right from day one. And if you look at his face, he's not slept for the last 4 days. At least he wants to show to us that he's not slept for the last 4 days. Go on, you did a good job. Please come in. Okay, on this main corridor we have a large screen, and this will keep showing us what lecture is going on in which hall. Now basically what we do is we make sure that there's always somebody here who is watching this, and if there's any hitch coming, they will have to go to the room and help out the persons who are in charge there. Now we are going to enter Hall A, where entire lectures are coordinated, of Hall A are coordinated. And as we enter here, we see our scientific chairman, the one and only Dr. Nashra, who has been handling the entire scientific session, not just Hall A. She was handling Hall A, Hall B, Hall C, the schedules. And also, if you remember there are about 80 to 90 speakers who wanted a change of time, who wanted a change of date. Almost everything was actually taken care of single-handedly by Dr. Nashra, and she also made sure that everybody was satisfied without actually altering the scheme of the program. Dr. Nashra, how are things going?
Great, sir.
Yeah. And if you notice, there are 3 laptops here, which is actually not enough for Nashra, but the table can't accommodate any more laptops. And she's actually looking into her hall speech here. She will have one more hall going there, and she would also have the messages or was a biodata of all the speakers here. She has not left this chair for the last 4 days from the time we start 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock in the evening. So that's the sort of dedication we have. Thank you so much. How are things going?
Great, sir. Great.
All in time?
Yes, sir. All as per the schedule.
As per schedule. Thank you, Dr. Nashra. We are now moving to the next hall. And here we have Hall B. Now, Hall B basically consists of keynote and guest lectures. And Hall B is handled by a very efficient person, just like Dr. Nashra. This is Dr. Sumaira. And Dr. Sumaira has been with us for the last 4 years, right from the first edition of World Dental Conference in 2018. She was with us in Dubai, she was with us in Malaysia, and also now she's with us for both the virtual conferences. She knows in and out on how to conduct a scientific program. And that's why we are so peaceful, because we have such efficient people working for us. And this is Aditya. He is a technical expert who knows everything about computers, or is very well trained in computers. So if there's any issue with any computer over here, he is there to come and check it out. And hi, where's your phone? This is Shankar.
Hello.
He is the technical head, the Zoom expert, and he's the person who solves all the problems which our speakers get during when the program is on. If you look at his mobile, all the talks are going on. He has control over every room, and he doesn't stay in one room. He keeps shifting between rooms, and we keep going between rooms. And wherever you have a technical problem, if any speaker is not able to connect, we have Dr. Shankar, so we don't worry at all, because within minutes he will get everything sorted out for us. Everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Sumaira?
Yes, sir.
All on time?
Everything as per schedule.
Very good. Thank you. I think you'll have to break for lunch very soon. Yes. And this is a meeting hall. Now the meeting hall here is for us at the end of every day. All the organizers sit down. We talk about what happened that day, what problems are faced. Now this helps us to make sure that the same problems are not faced the next day. And we also go through the schedule. If there's any alteration, anything to be done, anybody to contact, we make sure you contact them. So this is basically a meeting place, also just to relax after a very tough day's job. And now we are going to Hall C. Hall C basically has guest speakers and also a category called Rising Stars. Now this category is not there in most of the conferences because Rising Stars is for very, very junior people who actually are trying to come up in life, especially MDS people with just 1 or 2 years or a few years of experience. Now these people mostly get rejected in most of the conferences. They do not get a chance to talk as a guest speaker. So this conference is all about opportunities, and we give them a chance to project themselves, a platform to project themselves as a speaker. Please come on. And here we see Dr. Varusha. She is the one who's handling the entire Hall C. Now she's new to us. She's been here only for this year, but believe me, she's as effective as any of the other two scientific co-chairmen who are handling the show. So Varusha, how's things going? Going good. When are you finishing? Four more speakers. She looks tired. She's been listening to student papers for the last 5 hours, and I pity her. Anyway, all the best for you. To Hall D. Hall D is a very important hall because this is only for student papers, and it's very, very difficult to coordinate this hall because there are 6 halls which are functioning at the same time. You have a hall, an orthodontics hall, a perio, a pedo, oral medicine. So we have almost 6 halls running at the same time. Hi everybody. Dr. Shankar is here again. You can seeing Dr. Shankar in all the rooms here. He's omnipresent everywhere. And this is Dr. Neha. Hi, Dr. Neha. She's just joined us today because she was not in the station, and she's handling, I think, 3 halls over here with this laptop. And again, you can see now, usually most of the people will have 2 or 3 laptops because each laptop actually is handling a different session going on. And all this is going smoothly thanks to Dr. Shankar once again, because if he is not there, I'm sure none of us will be able to handle such a big event. So I hope all of you had a great time with the conference. And I hope all of you enjoyed the World Dental Conference 2021, and thank you for making this conference a very big success. Thank you very much.